Sprains are mainly caused due to stretching or tearing of ligaments, resulting in restriction of your movement. The prime reason for this injury is the sudden change of direction or due to a collision. The common parts affected are the ankles, wrists, and knees. Sprain, on the other hand, is the tearing and stretching of the muscles. This happens due to contraction or stretching of the muscles. But this can turn into a chronic strain if the muscles are overworked. We usually term this occurrence as pulling of the muscle. Some of the common places of strains are hamstring and back. And by the way, if you want to know which are the most powerful remedies growing in your state, I highly recommend checking out the first link in the description below this video. And here are some self-care measures related to sprains and strains. First, resting can be termed as the best thing to do during this time. Any kind of activity should be avoided which may cause pain, swelling, or other discomfort. You can still exercise to rejuvenate other muscles which need to be conditioned. Next, an ice pack is a great way to reduce pain, inflammation, and swelling. Keep it on the affected area for 15 to 20 minutes and repeat it every 2 to 3 hours to minimize the pain. Next, the use of compression helps in reducing pain with the use of elastic tapes, bandages, special boots, air casts, and splints. This tightens the strained or sprained area and avoids further injury. And finally, by keeping the injured part elevated, you can help in decreasing the swelling. The best position to keep the injured part elevated is above your heart level. And here are 6 home remedies for sprains and strains. Number 1. You can expect to get well soon from the agonizing pain by making pineapple part of your staple diet, and that in good quantity. The contents of pineapple have bromelain, an enzyme which quickens the healing process. The side effects of bromelain causes dermatitis, so if your skin itches due to the pineapple diet, stop it immediately. Number 2. You can consume aspirin or ibuprofen to get relief from the swelling and pain. Number 3. Massaging the affected area with comfrey oil or cream can help in alleviating pain. Number 4. 5 drops of thyme oil diluted either in bath water or some other oil can be used as a compress to get rid of swelling. Number 5. Arnica balm or ointment can be used as a cream or a compress for the affected area. And finally, number 6. Horse chestnut is also very useful for such injuries. Due to its anti-inflammatory properties and presence of a compound called acein, it becomes beneficial for all kinds of injuries. You can spread this gel on the affected area every 2 hours until the pain subsides. As with any injury, recovery time will depend on the seriousness of the sprain. Regardless of the severity, you can speed up the healing process by staying off your ankle or whatever the injured part is, and resting as much as possible. I would also like to mention that if you want to discover the forgotten power of plants, you should take a second and check out the first link in the description. Thanks for watching.